Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to turn off Ask Permission on App Store. To do this, first of all, launch your settings you have in your device. From there, scroll down and then go through the screen time. Now, search for content and privacy restrictions and go through it. Now, from here on the second option, you will see iTunes and App Store purchases. Go through it. From there, you will see required password. Under that, there are two options. Select don't require. Once you select that, you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.